Hey guys, I'm Chef Pam. This is Chef and More. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are getting ready to make sardine scramble, but I'm making mine in an omelet form, guys. Yes, we are going to be using the little sardines in a can. So let's get busy. Okay guys, so the things we're going to need will be some olive oil, or you can use butter. Of course, your little can of sardines. Bell pepper, you could use red, green, yellow, or a combination thereof. I happen to just like green. Just a small bit of regular onion. This is just a white onion. A couple of eggs, a couple of scallions, green onions. I have about 4 cloves of garlic here, chili powder, white pepper, and Himalayan salt. And the first thing I'm going to do here, guys, is beat my eggs. Okay. I am going to add chili powder to the eggs. Himalayan sea salt. And white pepper. Make sure it's well beaten and combined. Okay, we're going to set that aside. Next, we are going to drain our sardines and get them mashed up a little bit. Take the bones out as well. Okay, just going to drain them in here. And guys, I have another recipe for fried sardines. I'm going to leave that link right above. Be sure to check that out, guys. You will love it. If you like sardines, it's just a little bit different, but it is so tasty. And the bones come out easy, guys. You just want to slit them right down the backside and pull these little bones out. They are edible. They will disintegrate when you cook. You can mash them up, but I just like to take mine out when I am cooking this type of omelet. And as you can see, let me get this closer here. As you can see, the bone is right here and it lifts right up. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. You see there? It lifts right up. That's the whole bone going down the spine. Let's just toss that aside. Okay, get the rest of these done and we'll be right back. Okay guys, and after I got the bones out, I just went ahead and smashed up my sardines a little bit, and we're gonna set that aside. Now we're just gonna go ahead and chop up our veggies over here. I'm gonna chop up everything but the green onions right now. First, I'll just go ahead, and I kind of give these a rough chop, guys. Just a rough chop. You don't need to chop them to smithereens. So I'm going to go ahead and prep all these vegetables by just chopping up, and then we'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is use our olive oil and saute our veggies a little bit. Make sure it's nice and warm and heated up. So put it aside for now. I like to go around the sides of my skillet as well. Okay, so we're going to pour all of our veggies in here at once and get them sauteed, guys. That's our onion, this is our garlic. And green bell pepper. Okay, now we're gonna go in for some more olive oil. We're gonna go ahead and build this omelet, guys. Yes. Go around the sides again. That way, if some of your egg goes up the sides, it won't stick. You don't want your skillet too hot, but you want it kind of like medium-high heat. Make sure your eggs are well beaten. So I always try to beat them again just a little bit. Pour them into the skillet. Try to get them into a circle all the way around there. Sure they're all in there. Okay, now, only on half of the omelet, we're going to put our ingredients. I'm going to put a little bit of the veggies down on the bottom first. Then we're going to go in with some of our sardines, guys. About half of them. This makes it so that when you cut into your omelet, it's kind of layered, guys. It's kind of layered. Then we're going to put the rest of our veggies in here. Sardines go on top. Okay, guys, set this aside. Now, guys, we are going to cover it and let it cook for about a minute. Then we will flip this half over and take it off of the heat. Okay, guys, it's been a couple of minutes, so let's take our top off. It's looking good, looking good, looking good. We're just gonna flip this half over, and as you can see, it's not sticking to the skillet. We're just gonna flip this half right over on the top here. Right over on the top. Yes. Go around the sides, make sure it's not sticking anywhere. All right, scoop it down in there. Okay. So now we're going to cover it and remove it from the heat and let it set. Okay, and while this is still setting, guys, I'm going to go in with a few of these green onions and top it just so they can warm up too. Okay, we'll be right back. And guys, I just want to say that while that's finishing up a bit, this is a good keto meal. It's a good low carb meal. You have your protein, which is going to come from the sardines and the eggs, and you have some little veggies in there as well, and no carbs, guys. So if you're looking for a good low carb breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this will make just the perfect one. And guys, let's just take a moment. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit that button down there and subscribe. And don't forget to tap the bell, guys, so you'll know each and every time I upload a new video. Listening in my kitchen, I think we're about ready. Let's head back on over. Okay, guys, we are all done here. Let's get this out and head over for our taste test. Yes. Okay, and see how that does not stick to the skillet, guys? Doesn't stick to the skillet. Make sure I have this all the way up under here. There we go. Guys, doesn't that look amazing? Yes. Nice, easy, healthy breakfast. Okay, guys, you know what time it is. Time for the taste test. Look at that, guys. Doesn't that look amazing? Look at that. It was easy, it was quick, it was simple. And guys, remember, you can put any kind of veggies you want in here. Sometimes I use mushrooms in here. I use red peppers, green peppers. Sometimes I even put jalapeno peppers in here. I mix it up sometimes, guys. But this is an easy, quick, low carb meal for any time of the day. Okay, guys, let's dig in here. I'm going to break into this right over here off of this corner because I want to make sure I have a little bit of everything in there, guys. A little bit of everything. Okay, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh, doesn't that look amazing? Look at that. Got your sardines in there and your veggies. Oh, my goodness. Let's see. You gotta love a little can of fishies, guys. Come on. It is delicious. The chili powder provides just a little bit of kick, and it's shining through really good. You can taste the sweetness from the bell peppers. This is just all around amazing, guys. You will love this. I want you all to try this meal, and let me know down in the comments, guys. Let me know. The egg is cooked to perfection. I'm gonna have a cup of tea and finish this off in just 1 minute, guys. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Leave me some comments, and you know my favorite thing. Share me out, share me out, share me out. Sharing is caring, guys. I do appreciate each and every one of you all. Thank you so much for stopping by my kitchen today. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.